Welcome to National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology. This campus is spread over 7.5 acres of land. This is the main building. Here we have a corporate building and we have classrooms, new classrooms. This is the hostel building of NIELIT Srinagar. This is the girls' hostel. This is the first lab. With the projection system and the smart classroom equipments. This is the tutorial room. Here we have a smart board. This is the washroom block from that side. This is the ladies' washroom block and the gents' washroom block. Here we have the first classroom. With a projection system. Here we have another classroom. With the projection system. Here we have two approaches. One is for the physically challenged persons, and we are moving towards the lab cum classroom. Here we have a girls' hostel which was inaugurated by the Honorable Minister Shri Ravi Shankar Prasad ji. This is the hostel building for girls, and here we have the new classrooms. This is the top view of our campus. This is our main building. We'll go inside into the main building. Here we have another building, and these are the new classrooms. And from that side we have the girls' hostel, and from the main building side we have the boys' hostel. Here we go into the computer center building. So here we have a computer lab. This we call it as a computer center. Here we have a projection system and other facilities. Here is the workshop area specified for the workshop. अच्छा क्या? So we are about to enter into the main building. This is the canteen area, cafeteria area. Here we go into the canteen area. This is the canteen area. These are the corridors. Here we have the conference room. Here we have the boys' common room. This is the NIELIT J&K inquiry. This is the reprography section. Here we have the corridors where students can wait for their turn. This is the placement office under the Model Career Center. This is the placement office. This is the director's room. This is the director's office. And here we go into the administrative section. And within this administrative section we have an exam control office. We have an exam control office here, and here we have the stationery store. We have the store here. Find out the stationery items there. We'll go upstairs now to the first floor. Here we have the conference hall, a seminar hall, sorry, or we may call it as an auditorium. This is the seminar hall. Adjacent to this is girls' common room. This is the girls' common room. And we have the ladies' washrooms here. These are the corridors of the first floor. Now we have the library. This is the library area, which is divided into two parts. We have a reading room side for the library available. Here we have library reading room. On top of it is a reading area. So we have one more lecture room here. With the projection system. So we have a lecture room here and we have another lecture room here. We have one more lab cum classroom here. This is another lab cum classroom. This is the CAD center. Here we have a plotter. We have another classroom. With the projection system. So we'll go into the downstairs, the ground floor. Here we have a computer room. One more computer room here. Here we have a lab in charge room. We have one more lab cum classroom. With the data center. Here we have a data center. And this is the lab cum classroom. Here we have the central store. We have another the lab cum classroom, and within this we have a maintenance. This is the maintenance room. Oh, no. Here we have a research and development lab wherein MIELIT sponsored projects are executed. So here we have a playing area. This is our generator store, and from that side we have a boys hostel. And this is our parking area. This is our parking area. And this is the security shed.